Many of our cases proceed to mediation. I want to explain what that is. Both sides, this is typically when you're in litigation, the case has been filed and you're proceeding forward to trial. However, both sides want to bring the matter to someone that's unbiased. There's several individuals that are attorneys or retired judges in town that specialize in mediating cases, and that's all they do. We will contact the defense attorney, or they will contact us. We'll exchange a list of mediators, and we will come to an agreement on one of them. At that time, a mediation will be scheduled. Before the mediation goes forward, we provide the mediator with a mediation brief, which sets forth our position, our medical bills, our wage loss, everything about our case. And the defense does the same. We show up at the mediation at the appropriate time with the client for approval, and the defendant brings an insurance claims adjuster who has authority to resolve the matter. Generally, a mediation takes between 2 to 4 hours, but they can go longer depending upon the case. At that time, you're in separate rooms. You're not in the same room as the defense attorney or the adjuster. You're in a separate room where the mediator goes back and forth, finding out information about each case and talking to you about the good and the bad of your case. And he's unbiased, so he's giving you information you may not want to hear sometimes, and sometimes he's telling the other side information they don't want to hear. And the purpose is to finally get to a point where we can value the case fairly and settle the case. And at that time, if the matter settles with the client's authority, after seeing all the good and bad, a document is signed indicating that the matter is resolved, and we inform the court, and the matter is resolved. The cost of that can be between $600 to $800 for each party, which is not that significant compared to a cost of trial, which could. Our last trial, we spent approximately $35,000 trying the case, and it was a small case. So you can see that the cost is different for trial and mediation. Not every case is suited for mediation. When the two sides are so far apart, it's probably not a good idea to mediate. However, mediation in this day and age has been very helpful.